Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Blessing Akato. Hi, if this is your first time, you're also welcome to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to be doing a DIY on how to make an homemade makeup primer, and I'm going to be using just ingredients. So if you are interested, you definitely want to keep on watching. Alright guys, as you all can see, I'm going to be using two ingredients, and the two ingredients are the aloe vera gel and the olive oil. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to get an empty container, and as you all can see, I'm going to be using an empty edge control container. It is all clean and ready to be used. So the first step is to put a quantity of aloe vera gel into the container. I was supposed to use a measurement, so the right measurement to use is a tablespoon of aloe vera gel and half tablespoon of olive oil, but I didn't use measurement on this, but I actually made an estimation on a 1 tablespoon you get. So what I'm doing right now is adding up the olive oil, and I'm using the cover of the olive oil container to make my measurement. So guys, the next thing to do is to stir the aloe vera gel and the olive oil together. As you can see, I'm going ahead to stir the mixture together, and as you can see, it's changing from a transparent color to a white color. But do not stop there, you keep on stirring, because you want to get a very nice mixture, a very nice consistency at the end of the day. So you keep on stirring till you are sure they are properly mixed and they are properly they have a very nice consistency. So you keep on stirring. As you can see, I stirred for about 10 to 15 minutes so I can actually get a very nice mixture. So guys, I'm done stirring, and I'm trying to show you guys how it looks like on my palm. When you want to apply this, you make sure your face is properly clean and you apply, and you also allow it dry down before you start applying your foundation. That's how to literally apply this homemade makeup primer. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, this is all for now. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.